Hi students, 12th standard accountancy, chapter 2, exercise sum number 5. From the following information, prepare receipt and payment account of Kadalur Kabaddi Association for the year ended 31st March 2019. Let's read the given information and mark the given item. Okay, opening cash balance. So opening cash balance 1/2018. We are dealing with cash receipt and cash payment. Okay, so we always started with opening balance of cash in hand and opening balance of cash at bank on debit side, that means credit side. Okay, so opening cash balance will be appear on receipt side. Okay, then bank overdraft balance. What is meant by bank overdraft? Bank overdraft means your bank balance shows a negative balance. For example, your bank account balance shows minus 4,000 rupees. And overdraft occurs when you don't have enough money in your bank account to cover your transactions. But bank always made the transactions anyway. Okay, so as per the format of the opening balance of bank, overdraft will be appear on credit side of the receipt and payment account. So credit side means payment side. Okay, so bank overdraft is the opening balance of the payment side. Okay, and the stationery purchases will be appear on payment side. And traveling expenses is an expenses, it's a payment side. Dividend received means a receipt, and general expenses goes to payment side. Admission fees, they didn't give in any information like receipt and payment, so receipt and paid, so we have to consider it as the receipt. Okay, so admission fees, listen, Kadalur Kabaddi Association received admission fees. Okay, so receipt side. Courier charges means payment, charges means paid. Municipal taxes paid means payment, and interest on bank charges will be appear on payment side. And miscellaneous income is a cash received, so it will be appear on receipt side. Upkeep of ground. What is meant by upkeep of ground? Which means ground maintenance, like activities undertaken to keep outdoor areas and clearing maintenance and maintain the ground beautifully and orderly. So they spent the expenses for upkeep of ground. Okay, so it's appear on payment side. Grant from government. What is meant by grant from government? Listen, not for profit organizations may receive different forms of grant. They receive different forms of grant from government and other organizations. So grant from government means gift. Okay, so it's a receipt item, it will be appear on receipt side. Telephone charges paid means payment, and endowment fund receipt means received, and insurance premium paid means payment. Electricity charges paid means payment, and closing cash balance 31/3/2019 will be appear on payment side. Listen, opening balance of cash always appear on debit side. Okay, we always start on receipt and payment account, we always started with opening cash balance on debit side and ended with closing balance of cash balance or cash in hand or cash at bank on payment side. Okay, let's prepare the receipt and payment account. The heading of the receipt and payment is in the books of Kadalur Kabaddi Association receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2019. The format of the receipt and payment, it has two sides, debtor and creditor side. Debtor side has receipt and rupees, creditor side we have to write payment and rupees. This is the simple format. The receipt and payment account, we always started with opening cash balance or cash in hand or cash at bank. Okay, so we always started with the word to on debit side and buy on credit side. So the opening balance of the cash in hand 11,000 rupees, we have to write to balance brought on, and we already marked in the question what are the cash we received, we have to enter it on receipt side, and what are the payment we made, we have to enter it on payment side. So as for that format, we have to enter all the cash received. Okay, so to dividend received, to admission fees received, to grant from government, to endowment fund received, miscellaneous income entered on receipt side. On payment side, we have to write By balance brought on, this is the opening balance of the bank overdraft. By stationery purchased, traveling expenses, general expenses, courier charges, municipal taxes paid, interest on bank charges and upkeep of ground telephone charges, insurance premium, electricity charges. Finally, we have to write closing balance of cash in hand 1750 what they given in the question, and we have the total on credit side. Okay, that is, if you get the total on credit side, that is 44,850, you will get the difference on debit side. That difference is closing balance of the bank overdraft 4,500 rupees. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.